Hi guys, this is Mallikarjun and you are watching MK Technical. In this video, we'll be doing a full review of both Baseheads 110 wired earphones. Guys, coming to the physical overview. Guys, these are the black colored variant earphones and that are readily available in Amazon between the pricing ranging from 379 to 500 rupees. And coming to the physical overview guys, let's first talk about the cable length. The cable wire is so lengthy so that you can easily put your device in a pocket while plugged in, while these earphones are plugged in. And guys, this, as I said, this cable wire is so lengthy. And guys, let's talk about the thickness of the cable. Considering the pricing, the cable wire is so thick, but it does not differ much from its previous model earphones. And guys, here you can see the 3.5 mm plugin. This is steel coated plugin. And guys, here's, if you watch here, this is the board branding they had given over the wire. And guys, and here it is the microphone as well as play button, and we can use this button for ending the calls as well as lifting the calls. And guys, if you look at the top of the earphones, these look pretty much stylish. And if we talk about the earbuds, there are only available one pair of earbuds available in the box that was given along with these earphones. And guys, this is all about its physical overview. And guys, let's talk about the sound quality. Guys, when talking about the sound quality, I must say that while listening at the higher volumes, you you the sound quality is not so good. It was a bit disturbed and somewhat noisy. And while listening at the high volumes, these board these board earphones are not in sync with bass, mids, and highs while listening at the higher volumes. And guys, let's talk about the each thing at one time. And the its highs are not so good, and as they have said that this is a bass earphones. This is specially, as they said that this is especially designed for bass. That is true, but I would say that it has I would say that it is not pretty much different from this its predecessor earphones. And guys, these are specially designed for bass. I would definitely say that. And if you are a high volume listener and want a high quality earphones, I would definitely say you that you should not buy these earphones. And if you want a just a relaxed and cool experience, you could buy this. And I already used the Bose Bass 100 earphone, which is the earphones that is old model of this series. Its life is not so good. It had only last up to 4 or 5 months. That's it, guys. And considering the life of these earphones, these are not so good. So for 380 rupees, I would definitely say that this is 50% good and 50% not good. And if you want a much better earphone, considering this price, I would definitely say that you could go for one more earphones which are most quality earphones compared to this board series. And nowadays everyone is not listening to the using these wired earphones, but this is somewhat still affordable and quite cheap. But although they lack some they lack the designing as well as sound quality. Thank you guys, this is Mallikarjun signing off. Goodbye.